Imagine AI as your tireless QA partner, learning from every bug, spotting glitches, and automating repetitive tasks. By 2024, 72.3% of testing teams were exploring AI driven workflows, with 65% integrating AI tools into their QA processes. These tools enable testers to detect up to 40% more defects, reduce test runtimes by over 50%, and slash maintenance efforts by up to 85%, allowing teams to focus on innovation instead of patching broken scripts. Hello techies, I am Harshit Srivastava, Senior Quality Analyst at Nanyas Technology, and today we'll discuss about artificial intelligence in automation testing for smarter business decisions. With AI, testing evolves. A self-healing feature, for instance, adjusts tests automatically when UI elements change, saving teams significant time. As one tech leader noted, with functionalized AI, he spent almost no time manually maintaining test suites. So guys, here are some standout AI-driven testing platforms. The first one is Testim, which simplifies test authorizing and reduce maintenance through AI-powered smart locators. The second one is Applitools, which excels in visual AI testing, validating UI elements across browsers and catching visual bugs which are missed. And the third one is Functionize, which focuses on scalability and self healing with AI that learns how your app works and adapts tests automatically. AI powered testing drives better business decisions, faster release with fewer bugs, enhanced customer trust and satisfaction, translating to improved retention and revenue. A study revealed that AI mature companies experience 1.5x higher revenue growth. Leaders recognize AI value. A Gartner survey found that 79% of strategists consider AI critical to success, and 50% of business owners expect AI to improve decision making. AI doesn't just improve the QA, it improves decision makers and real time results and predictive insights, enabling faster pivots and smarter investments. AI in automation testing isn't just a trend, it's transforming businesses. So, guys, are you ready to future proof your QA processes? Drop a comment sharing your experience with AI testing and explore these tools to see their impacts.